15 sundown audio with a 2000 watt sundown amp to a 7500 watt excess power battery.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Wow, single sub. Can I go see it in the back? Open it up. Nice. I was just gonna get your name and all the info real quick. You put that up.
Alright, bet.
You're good.
My name.
Yep.
What else?
Your name and everything in here. Go ahead, man.
Alright, so my name's Caleb Stewart, and I have a ZV5 15 sundown audio with a 2000 watt sundown amp to a 7500 watt excess power battery.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yeah, by myself.
Nice. Okay.
And I spec'd it to 28 to 34 hertz.
Okay. How big is it in cubic wise?
I don't know for sure. I had to cut down some off the left side to fit in the trunk.
Okay. Yeah. Got it. All right, and what was your name?
Caleb Stewart.
Caleb. Thanks, Caleb. I already got a demo in the back. Just wanted info. Nice to meet you, Caleb. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for showing me, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.